Marriage requires devotion, the ability to listen, the wisdom to know when you are wrong, and the humility to put things right. Above all, it requires unquestioning love. Michael and Olafunto, you are each other's first consideration, first priority and first responsibility. Never take one another for granted. Never be too old to show affection. Take pride in each other's achievements and support and encourage each other.
Last night I dreamt I was being swallowed by the ocean. What I mean is, I dreamt of you. I dreamt of falling into your skin, I dreamt of being one. In my dream you hold my heart in your hands and I break into poems. What I mean is, each day I love you, not fully knowing how or why or where from, but with my entire being, without restraint, with everything, drowning head first, completely submerged. In the dead of the night I crave your voice, the melodies